Okay. Hello, everyone. Hi, good afternoon. Welcome back. Welcome back to a Lightstrade online factory tour. And now is the second part of this afternoon session. And I'm your host, Jane. Good to see you again. Okay, so in this first session of this afternoon, we have visited almost like six factories this afternoon. So now we are going to have our next customer from Dongguan, Thailand Semiconductor Lighting Company, Thailand. Hello. Hello, Thailand, from Dongguan, Thailand Semiconductor Lighting Company. Can you hear me?
Hi. Yes.
Hi. Hi, good afternoon. Hi.
Good afternoon, Jane.
Good afternoon. Hi. I'm Jane.
Hi, this is Michael.
Michael. Hi, how are you, Michael?
Fine, thanks. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Welcome, Michael. Thank you for participating in GILE Lighting Factory Tour. This special event is made for under this epidemic situation, and I'm so happy to meet you online. Thank you,
yes,
Michael.
Me too.
Michael, would you like to have a brief introduction of your company and show us around of your exhibition hall or your factory production line or anything about your company? And would you like to show us, please? Thank you.
Okay. First, please allow me to give a brief introduction of the company. I've share you our company. Okay, just a minute.
Yeah, don't worry.
Can you see my screen?
Yes, we can see you're sharing your screen.
Okay, let's start. First, Thailight. Many customers mistake that our company is a Thailand company, but actually our company is a China-based company. So we rebrand our company name into Innogenal. Inno stands for innovative. Geno stands for gene. So our company is specialized in innovation. Our company was established in 2009. It is a national high-tech enterprise which specializes in R&D, production, sales, technical support. Innogenal has acquired the ISO International Quality System certificate. Our company owns a UL-approved lighting testing laboratory, and all our products are certified by UL, CUL, and DLC. And most items are certified by GS, CB, CE, RoHS, FCC, SAA, etc. And our products are exported to more than 100 countries and regions around the world, mainly to North America, Australia, Europe, the Middle East, and other global markets. This is our factory. You see our company has 5 factories, but soon we move into an industrial park. I will come to it later. This is our main factory, Thailand, Thailight LED. This one, two wing. This factory is our driver company, and this one is our showroom, and this one is a CNC plant, and this one is our SMT, and this one is our automatic assembly line, and this one is our laboratory. Just now I mentioned that our company is building ourselves all 260 square foot industrial park with a floor area of 860 square feet. If we be put into service, it is now put into service. And we are moving in now. An indigenous monthly production capacity will soar to 1 million pieces compared to current 100,000 pieces. Our company is just now, our company has integrated many supply industry chains, including die casting, powder painting, and coating. We also manufacture our own driver. Okay, this is our company's employee structure. We have a total 300 plus staff. On the 10 engineering 30, quality assurance 30, and management and office 80, production 150. This is our sales revenue in the past years. In 2015, the sales revenue is 30 million US dollar. Last year, the revenue is 60 million US dollars. You can see our fiscal revenue keeps climbing in the past years. Let's see the next part. This is our main exporting market. You can see North America accounts for 70% of our sales revenue. That's European country accounts for 20%. Australia and other countries and regions account total 10%. This is our sales revenue and customer type, and the importers account for 75%. Distributors accounts for 50%, and others account for 10%. This one is our product portfolio. You can see we specialize in floodlight, wall-pack, high bay, canopy light, street light, and solar light. And LED light take up about 40%. Let's see the put the light up. Solar street light, area light, canopy light, wall-pack, different kinds of wall-pack. Mini wall-pack, semi-color wall-pack, full-color wall-pack, adjustable wall-pack, glow light, UFO high bay, high bay with aluminum reflector, PC reflector. This one is street light. We have both street light for European country and for North American market. And we also have dusting light, UFO high bay, and this one is high mass street light. And this one is our production capacity. We have 3 lines for canopy lights, 3 production lines for LED floodlight, 2 production lines for LED wall-pack, 2 production lines for UFO high bay, and 2 for street light. Currently, our production capacity is 150,000 pieces per month. When our new industry park was put into service, and the capacity will increase to 100 pieces per month. I will introduce our canopy light. You can see we have 4 versions of canopy light: CLE, CLC, CLD, CLF. You can see we have CLE 25 watts, 40 watt, 60 watt, 75 watts. And the LED is Luminet 3030. And we have our own driver, and this is our own driver 2 wing. They're all UL and DLC listed. The canopy light can be used in gas station, parking lot light, parking lot, corridors, and aisle, etc. And this one is our area light. We have the FLQ series. It comes in 100 watt, 150 watt, 230 watt, 300 watt, 400 watt. And the LED is rimlets. And it's also, the driver can be 2-wing driver, our own driver. It can be dimming or non-dimming. It is also UL and DLC premium listed. We have different kinds of mounting option as well. This one is straight arm. This one is slick filter. This one is slick filter plus the tenon. And this one is trunnion. This yoke bracket. This area light can be used in plaza, trade area, port, station, parking lot, dock, yard, stadium, road, highway, overpass, etc. This one is our FL mini floodlight area. It comes in FF series, 50 watt, 30 watt, 30 watt, 50 watt. FL 150 watt, 300 watt, 600 watt, and 1000 watt. This one is our stadium light. It has we currently have 1000 watt. We have different kinds of mounting option. It has the slick filter and the yoke bracket. It can be what is selectable as well. This is our wallpack series. We have the semi-color wallpack, dusk to dawn light, full color wallpack, adjustable wallpack, and mini wallpack. All these are UL and DLC premium listed. This one is a mini wallpack, and have different kind of cover options. It can be different kind of lighting distribution. And this one is our UFO high bay. I think time is up. Jane?
Hi, Michael. I'm still with you. Yeah, you can go on. I think how many slides you are left there? You still got like 3 or 4 minutes to go. The time is okay.
Okay. This is our UFO high bay, HPM and HPP series. HPM is a performance version, and HPP is an economy version. We have different kind of refractor and piezo refractor, bottom lamps, aluminum refractor. It also has a battery backup unit. It is also UL and DLC premium. Also CE, CP, and SAA certified. It can be used in warehouse, inspection hall, plant, workshop, station, supermarket, and port, etc. This one is our street light. STF and STG. STF is for European market. STG is for North American market.
Yeah.
Okay. It can be used in highway road, main road pass, factory campus, garden park, square, and courtyard. And last one is our solar street light. This all-in-one street light. This one STC is all-in-one street light. It comes in 8 watt, 20 watt, 30 watt, 50 watt. And this one is a remote control. It is CE, MSDA, DS, UN. The last one is our glow light. I don't think there's much time for me. Thanks so much for the day.
Okay, thank you, Michael. Actually, I'm quite interested in the grow light. You just skip it, but yeah, you also get just 1 minute for a quick show of this grow light. Yeah.
Okay. We have 3 types of grow light. We have PLT, PLH, PLV. We just skip the PLI. The PLT is economy version for family grower. PLH is for also family grower. It can be used in a canopy growth. This one is PLV is for industry professional growers. It can be used in greenhouse. The PLH is the light bar can be 45-degree rotatable.
Oh, it's a foldable.
Yes. This one rotatable, not foldable.
Oh, rotatable.
Yes. But the PLV is 180-degree foldable.
Oh, I see. Wow, that's great. The grow light is now becomes a popular trend in lighting industry. So many of our foreign traders or foreign customers are focusing on this grow light. So I'm kind of paying the interest of your production line. Thank you, Michael. I see from your introduction of your company profile, I realized that you are going to have a new industrial park of your own, and your capacity, your monthly production capacity can be up to 1 million pieces monthly.
Yes.
Wow, that's incredible and impressive. Thank you, Michael. Thank you. Anything else you want to share with us today?
That's
all. That's enough.
I plan to show you some sample, but the sample is not ready yet. So I just
save the surprise.
Yes.
Yeah, save for the next time. Wow, your introduction is brilliant and well done. Thank you, Michael. Thank you for your participation. Thank you.
Thanks for listening.
Thank you. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
See you next time. Bye-bye.
Have a good day. Bye.
Bye.